Hello, once again, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. You can see the way I'm smiling. I'm so happy to share information once again. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ijoma Cynthia, and I am the founder of the KGC Digital Academy. I'm also known as the KGC Boss. I teach you how to monetize the simple things you know, how to cash out using social media. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a vital information with you. So if you're seeing my face for the first time, hit on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload videos like this. So for those of you that have been coming to me, asking me in the DM on Instagram, so for those of you that have been asking me which cards to use, whether physical or virtual, while making online payments, this video will be answering your questions. So I know as an online business owner, you have to make payments every now and then, whether to buy something online, pay for a digital tool, just make payments online. And as a Nigerian, we know how difficult this can be for us with our Nigerian Mastercards. So today's video will just answer this for you. So I'll be talking about two bank cards that I've been using, and before I go on, please understand that this is not a paid partnership. Nobody's paying me to make this video. I am sharing this information because I know a lot of people are in need of it. A lot of people have come to me asking for this information. That's the simple reason why I am sharing this information. Okay? So I'll be sharing with you the two cards that I've been using. Okay? Now I have three cards. I have three cards with me here. Two of them are dollar cards. Okay? One is a dollar Visa card and one is a Dollar Mastercard. Then I have with me here a Naira Mastercard. Okay, now these three cards, these two are dollar cards and this is a Naira card. So let me share this information with you. So this is a dollar card and it's for a domiciliary account. I have not been able to use it to make any online payments whatsoever. Yes, it's for a dollar account, a domiciliary dollar account. But I've not been able to use it, and it's for a bank. I don't want to call the name of this bank, but it's for a bank. Then these two cards, one is a Mastercard, one is a Visa card. Now this Mastercard is a Naira card and it's for the Wema Bank. So I'm going to share with you which of the Wema Bank. Now this is a bank that you can open with your smartphone. All you have to do is to go to Google App Store. I don't know if it's on iOS, but go to Google App Store and you download the app. Okay, Wema Alert app. You register your information, set up your bank, set up your online banking details and all of that. Just get registered and set it up. And sometimes you might need to call the call center to answer some questions for you. Okay, so if you do that on Wema Alert, you'll be able to get their Mastercard. The first card they'll give you is for free. You're not paying for the first card. You just have to pay money into your account, then order your card, and they'll give you a free Mastercard. You're not paying for it, okay? Now, that first free Mastercard will come for free, and you have to pick it from any Wema Bank branch in your city. All right, that's for the Wema Bank card. Now, this card, I've been able to pay for a lot of stuffs with it. I've been able to pay for online tools, for websites. I've been able to make online purchases with it, but I think to a limited amount. I've not been able to use it for huge purchases. Okay, so that's the thing with this Wema Alert card. Okay, call it Wema Alert. That's the thing with it. It's same thing as Wema Bank, but you just call it Wema Alert. You can open it online without stepping into the bank. Now let's talk about this card. Now this is a UBA dollar card. It is not actually a UBA domiciliary account. No, it is just a dollar wallet. Okay. Now when you go to UBA Bank, I don't know if all the UBA branches have this, but I was able to get this from my city. All right, I was able to get it from my branch in my city. So when I went there, I just told them I needed a dollar card, and when they ask you is it a domiciliary account, you let them know not the domiciliary account, dollar card for dollar wallet. All right, now this dollar wallet is it doesn't have any online banking platform. It's just a dollar wallet where you get alerts like payment alerts in your phone, okay, and you see your balance when you make payments. So for example, you open the dollar account. I always advise go there with at least $100 or $150. So when you're paying that $100 to open this wallet account, you're going to get an alert in your phone. All right, that alert shows that you have $100 in your account. Now they're going to give you a card. All right, they're going to give you this card. It's a Visa card. All right, they gave me a Visa card. Now with this Visa card, you'll be able to make online purchases to any amount that you want to buy. So all you need to do is go to your UBA bank and load your dollar account. Okay, each one comes with a bank account number. So it has a bank account number and it's usually written at the back. All right, so you just copy this bank account number, all right, and you go to the front desk and tell them you want to pay money into your dollar wallet account, and you give them you fill in the form details. Just give them this number and they're going to pay in that dollar that you have. So for example, you want to pay in $1,000, okay, so you go there and you pay in that $1,000 and you can make your online purchases with this UBA wallet dollar card. Okay, so it's not a regular bank account, it's just a wallet, so you can always go there and top up your dollar in your wallet and use it for online purchases. So somebody was also asking, is it possible to save money in this wallet and go withdraw this money at any time? It's very possible to use it for a dollar savings. You know, the naira is fluctuating, doesn't have value, so you can actually use this to save money in your dollar wallet, and you can withdraw it at any time, but it's a process. It's not just like walking into the bank, withdrawing and walking out. Okay, you have to apply to withdraw a certain amount and they will accept your application, then you can withdraw your money. Okay, then your money will be released to you. The amounts that you want to withdraw will be released to you. So yes, you can use it to save dollars. All right. So that's that for my video. I hope you gained value from today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's help this channel. This is the best way you can support me as I'm helping you with these videos and information. Support me. All right. So I don't want to use pay. You can support me with one subscription. Just subscribe to my channel, hit on that notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload educative videos like this, and click on the like button so that this video can go out to people that are also interested in videos like this. So I hope you gained value from today's video. I hope you learned something. So go out there, share this video with your friends that might also be interested in what I've shared here. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.